How to set up an autoresponder in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to create an autoresponder in cPanel. Click the autoresponders icon. This is where you create autoresponders for your email addresses. Autoresponders send messages back automatically to anyone who sends an email to a specified address. Click the Add Autoresponder button. Now complete the form to set up your autoresponder. Enter an interval value, then enter an email address you want to set an autoresponder for. Now complete the rest of the autoresponder email by filling in the from, subject, and body of the email. When ready, click Create, Modify. That's it! The autoresponder has been set up. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up an autoresponder in cPanel.